I'm Devi Chaksana. So in today's video I will do Titi Joyko challenge. Titi Joyko challenge, like Indonesian, like it just what Indonesian in your eye that Titi Joyko says. So I have these. Not really old. I just bought these from Joyko. So I just maybe just in the previous video, so I just bought a lot of these. I just bought this set. There's a lot of people that just bought just one of these, just sell this thing, but I'm pretty sure you guys know. I'm just going to progress the drawing, so a lot of drawing that I'm going to progress right now. I'm just going to use my very favorite eraser from this Joyko. You guys know where's the box? I just put the box somewhere. I forgot about that. And the monkey is already gone. Okay, not just gone, it's just poof, gone. That it just rip out. Okay.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Guys, I just changed my mind. I just changed the camera view for made me feel free to draw. It absolutely maybe different from the lighting. Maybe I was going to use some filter for make the video quality going to be more better. So just make it more realistic, as I ever say. Make it more real, make it more something. By the way, I just use this. My twins have this eraser. For me, there's no more dust again. So we just what's name is this? Coloring this. I'm sorry, I just recording outside my room. So
empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. My best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me for. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
So
No, I
guys,
don't wanna
we
waste
need
what's
to just make
left.
going to be long because yeah, it's still wet. So we need to take a rest after these things.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
empty hearts and neon lights.